A huge disappointment, man.
It would, but you know what? I'm sure it did. It says it's working, so
Yeah,
it's good. We gotta wrap this show up. But Atelston, Fitzgerald, Holder, the first, Mr.
yeah,
Pregnant, it was a
yeah.
delight to have you on, and
Thank
please
you.
come back anytime you want.
Can I plug my website in?
Please do it.
Hey, folks, check out my website, www.atelston.com. That's A as in Apple, T as in Tom, E as in egg, A as in Apple, T as... Forget it. Just forget it. Just forget it. Forget it, man.
Have a wonderful day, man. I'll see you soon.
Thank you so much. Yo, your
Okay.
boy killing it, boy. Your boy killing it.
Be well. Take care, my friend.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Actually, let's bypass psycholinguistics. The philosophical aspect of linguistics is an intriguing phenomenon because it's one of those areas where we explore the arbitrariness of language.
Fascinating phenomenon in art because a lot of juxtaposition. You see that juxtaposition pervasive in comedy with Mitch Hedberg. Force